हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज प्रिया एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल गो विथ लॉ। तो आज की इस वीडियो में मैं आप सबको बताऊंगी इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज ऑफ इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन। जैसा कि आप सब जानते हैं कि बहुत ही जल्द AIB 17 होने वाला है। कभी भी किसी भी वक्त नोटिफिकेशन आ सकता है बार काउंसिल की ओर से, तो आप प्लीज प्रिपेयर रहे। और AIB के ऊपर बहुत सारे वीडियोज मैं बना चुकी हूँ, उस वीडियोज के लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन पे मिल जाएगा, आप प्लीज चेक करिएगा। और एक बात, मैं जो भी कुछ बताऊंगी आपको वीडियो में इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज आज हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं, तो आप प्लीज डिस्क्रिप्शन को चेक करिएगा, क्योंकि मैं जो भी बोलती हूँ वीडियो की डिटेल नोट आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन पे मिल जाएगा। तो आइए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। और वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले सबसे पहले मेरे चैनल गो विथ लॉ को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करना मत भूलिएगा, क्योंकि जब तक आप बेल आइकन को प्रेस नहीं करेंगे तब तक आपको मेरे वीडियोस के नोटिफिकेशंस नहीं मिलेंगे। तो आइए लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। तो देखिए, what is the leading decision in the case of Menka Gandhi versus Union of India? This is MCQ number 1. So please mark it. You can note it down if you want. What is the leading decision in the case of Menka Gandhi versus Union of India? So option is here: right of hearing, separation of power, delegated legislation, and rule of evidence. So there are 4 options you can see. So which one is correct? So the correct option is right of hearing. I repeat, what is the leading decision in the case of Menka Gandhi versus Union of India? So the correct option is right of hearing. Second is Article 300A of Indian Constitution, that is right to property, has been inserted in the Constitution by 44th Amendment Act, 42nd Amendment Act, 40th Amendment Act, and 51st Amendment Act. There are 4 options. So the correct one is 44th Amendment Act. Okay, please check description. Okay, number 3, freedom of residence under Article 19 of the Indian Constitution is available in which of the following clauses? Clauses 1 subclause E, clauses 1 subclause D, clauses 1 subclause B, and clauses 1 subclause C. So the correct option is clauses 1 subclause E. Fourth is, in which of the following cases the Supreme Court has held that the investigating officer should be allowed to refer to the records of investigation? So here I will not repeat the options. So the correct option is State of Karnataka versus Yarappa Reddy. Okay, this is the correct option. Please note it down. So our next question is, the power to enact a law relating to the citizenship of India is left to the dash under the provision of Article 11 of the Constitution. So the correct option is Parliament. So Parliament has the power to enact a law relating to the citizenship of India. Okay, so next question is, in which of the following case the Supreme Court first of all made an attempt to look into the question regarding the extension of the right to life to the right to health and other hygienic conditions? So the correct option is the Rural Litigation and Entitlement Kendra versus State of Uttar Pradesh. So this is the correct option. You just see, many of you were telling me that ma'am please upload full video in English. So this won't be possible for me because many of students, they can't understand English in a proper way. They find very much difficulty in understanding. So I will tell everything in English and in Hindi as well. Okay, so next question is, the rule of liability is based on the decision. The rule of liability is based on the decision. Reliance versus Fletcher. Okay, Reliance versus Fletcher. Oh, sorry, the rule of strict liability. Everybody you know about strict liability. The rule of strict liability is based on the decision Reliance versus Fletcher. This is one of the important case. Please remember this. Next, the rule of last opportunity was laid down in, the correct option is Davis versus Munn. Okay. Next question, the phrase to file a PIL ostensibly in public interest but in fact to serve personal or private interest mean? Correct option is D. Filing PIL alleging it to be in public interest but actually seeking protection of private interest. Okay. Next is filing of frivolous PILs results in. So the correct option is here all of the above. Okay, so here I will repeat all the options. Please listen the question very carefully. Filing of frivolous PIL result in number A, increasing backlog of cases. Number B, wastage of resources. Number C, lesser availability of time for hearing other genuine cases. Number D, all of the above. So here the correct option is all of the above. Next is a discrimination against a man or a woman only on ground of dash would be violative of Article 1. Sorry, यहाँ पे कुछ गलती हुई है. So I think this is not Article 1. Article 15(1) मे बी. सो ये डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा आपको, ठीक है, प्लीज चेक करिएगा. द ऑब्जेक्टिव रिजोल्यूशन adopted by the Constituent Assembly on January 22, 1947 was drafted by. Correct option is Jawaharlal Nehru. This is the correct option. Right to property was eliminated from the list of fundamental rights during the tenure of Morarji Desai. The last is the ground of error of law apparent on the face of the record is connected with which of the writ. Correct option is writ of certiorari. तो यहाँ पे आज हमने एमसीक्यू डिस्कस किया. एक क्वेश्चन में थोड़ी सी गलती है, तो वो सही करके आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन पे मिल जाएगा, प्लीज चेक करिएगा. और ये जो पेपर हमने डिस्कस किया कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का, दिस वाज ऑफ AIB 16, बट आई सजेस्ट यू दैट प्लीज इन क्वेश्चन पेपर्स के भरोसे मत बैठिएगा. पेपर आपको सॉल्व करना है. यू विल हैव टू सॉल्व सम previous year question papers so that you guys may get some idea that how to crack AIB exam. Okay, but please study BARX. BARX को पढ़िएगा, बहुत ही जरूरी होता है BARX. Okay, so whatever I told you in this video, everything you will get in description, so please check description. Okay, I hope you guys like this video, so please give us a thumbs up. वीडियो को लाइक करें and share as much as you can, and do comment me your doubts, whatever you have doubts in any subjects. Okay, whatever your doubts you have any subjects, please comment me. And if you want any new videos in any topic, so that also you can comment me. Okay, your doubts, your queries, do let me know in comment section. And regarding AIB, if you have any doubts, any queries, then also you can let me know in comment section. So hope you guys are doing well, and see you guys in the next video. So bye bye, take care everyone.